feel like life's challenges are weighing you down and you're searching for a way to tap into your inner strength and get out of that uncomfortable predicament? Affirmations can be the key to transforming your mindset and rediscovering your power. Hi, I'm Naila, and welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about spirituality, manifestation, and creating a life of abundance and freedom. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 empowering affirmations to help you unlock your inner strength and step into your power. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Affirmations are more than just words. They are a way to reprogram your subconscious mind. Whenever you consistently repeat positive, empowering statements to yourself, you shift your beliefs and energy. Think of affirmations as seeds that you plant in your mind. The more you nurture them, the more they grow into unshakable confidence and strength. The first affirmation is, I am stronger than my challenges, and they are shaping me into the person I am meant to be. Your challenges do not come to break you. They come to shape you into the highest version of yourself. So when life feels overwhelming, this affirmation reminds you that your struggles are not setbacks. They are stepping stones to your growth. The second affirmation is, I trust myself completely. I have all the wisdom and strength I need within me. This is a powerful reminder that you already have the answers and strength to navigate any situation. The third affirmation is, I am worthy of all good things. I deserve love, abundance, and joy. The fourth affirmation is, I embrace my power fully. I release doubt and fear, and I step into my greatness. This affirmation is about letting go of self-doubt and fear and owning the incredible power within you. I used to be very shy, and I used to have very low self-esteem. I even used to have suicidal thoughts. And early on in my spiritual awakening journey, when I learned about affirmations and I began saying them to myself, over time, I've seen myself transform. I've been able to pull myself out of that deep, dark depression. And now I have tools that will help me if I ever go back to that place again. Now I'm able to get in front of a camera and speak, which is not as easy as some people may think. I'm able to get on stage and perform. I created an entire album and wrote the songs myself. So if you're wondering, do affirmations truly work? Yes, they truly work. You just have to be consistent. You have to retrain your mind. All right, and the fifth affirmation is, I am unstoppable. Nothing can hold me back from achieving my dreams. This one is for when you need a confidence boost. Say it with conviction and feel your energy shift. Now that you have these affirmations, here are a few ways to make them a part of your daily life. Start your day by saying them aloud in front of the mirror. Write them down each day to deepen their impact. Say them silently during your meditations to align your mind and spirit. And place them in places where you'll see them. Use sticky notes and put them on your mirror, on your desk, and on your fridge. The key is consistency. The more you affirm your strength, the more you will feel it. Remember, unlocking your inner strength begins with believing in yourself and your abilities. These affirmations are tools to help you reconnect to your power, even on tough days. You are strong, capable, and unstoppable. Don't forget that. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little extra strength today. And if you're looking for more tools to help you on your spiritual journey, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and check out the resources down in my description box. Remember, you are worthy, powerful, and limitless. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Worthy, I'm worthy, ain't never gotta worry. Been through some pain, but that's part of the journey. No, I ain't the same, that's because I had to learn me. Discovering my truth that can no longer deter me. Worthy, I'm worthy, ain't never gotta worry.